is $100 and more, so you can just design a simple logo for him and just earn $100 in just few minutes. And this Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shubham. I am a Canva verified expert. So in this video I am going to show you how you can design amazing logos right inside the Canva, and we are also taking the advantage of modern days AI tools like Midjourney. So this video is pretty fun to designing a logo. If you are a freelancer, then this video is very useful for you for designing a logo for your clients. It's make your design process more smoother. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before starting this video, let me show you something. We are on our laptop screen and here is the Upwork website. So it's kind of a freelancing website. If you are learning any new skill for the freelancing, then logo design is far better than anyone. So I just searched this logo over here and you can see there is, I also filtered it out to this budget of our project. And if you are a beginner or just starting out, so you can just go with the all project and also select this entry level. So just kind of a beginner logo they are asking for the jobs, so they will show you. Currently 643 jobs are available for the beginners, so you can just make a simple portfolio around the logo designing and start applying these kind of jobs. And over here you can see there is a different kind of projects available. They will budget is $100 and more, so you can just design a simple logo for him and just earn $100 in just few minutes. And this job is posted 2 hours ago, so this kind of money you can make with the logo design skill. So let's get started this video. As you can see here, we are on our Discord server and let's connect firstly Midjourney bot to our Discord server. So all you have to do is just go into this Midjourney server and click on this members list. So you can just click on it and click here to add to server and just choose your server name and just hit continue and click on this authorize. So it will connect your server to a Midjourney bot, so you can access the Midjourney bot inside your any kind of channels. So in this way you can connect. And if you have not watched our previous tutorial how to getting started with Midjourney, so you can just click on this I tab and watch that tutorial. So if you have watched the previous tutorial, so you can just click on here this plus icon over here, and also you can just type this / key and write the image in. So it will asking for the prompt. So now you can write any kind of keywords in which you want to see in your logos. Like firstly I will type the logo for cafe. In this example I will show you, you want to generate a logo for a cafe in which they are also gonna assign some keywords, like they added some saps cap into this logo and keep it into the minimalistic style and make it into the black and white color. So I will type my prompt around it. So let's see how I typed it. So logo for a cafe, and I will also type this saps cap and styling for the logo is minimalistic, and you can also assign the color in which you want to generate the logo, like any specific brand color. Like in your case you want to generate the logo in black and yellow, so you can just type it. And you can also type the 2D and also make it iconistic, so you can just type the icon. I think our prompt is looking great, so just make it correct and just hit enter. So Midjourney will start working on your prompt and generate the great logo for your business or your client. You can use this type of logo as an inspiration and start designing your own, or you can also directly use this logo and edit it into the Canva. I will also share the process how you can edit these kind of logos right inside the Canva in just few minutes. So we have our logo 62% is completed, and so I think this logo is pretty amazing and looking very much professional. But I will try some other prompt, so I will just copy it and just paste it over here. And I will also add some keywords like make it vector logo and 2D vector icon, and that's everything is fine. So I will just hit enter to generate the different variation how it's work. In this type of logo I like this third one and the fourth one as well, so I will just click on this U3. You can also generate the different variation based on image number 3 by clicking on this V3, but as of now I am not doing anything. So you can see over here we have some great logos for this one. So I like this U2 as well, so I just click on this U2 to highest resolution image as possible. So you can see our job is assigned to the Midjourney to upscaling the image number 3, and in these logos we're scaling the image number 2. So let's try another example. Suppose you want to generate a logo for a cookie shop, and they will assign giving you the some kind of elements like cookies and make it minimalistic. So let's try this as well. So logo for a cookie shop, you can also type the styling minimalistic vector 2D logo icon. I think everything is great. In this time I will not assign any kind of color, so let's see. Just hit enter to generate the logo and make it minimalistic, and just make it correct your prompt to assign it. So till now I am just download these logos. For downloading this kind of logo, all you have to do is just right click on it and click on this save as image or download it. This one also we going to download this and just save as image or download it. And here we have some great logos for our cookies shop. So you can see these are some great vector logos we have, and in this type of logo I like this one to this U2, and you can also generate the different variation based on image number 1. So I will just keep it U1 and also V1, just giving you the clear idea how you can do it in your. So here we have 4 logos, and let's start these logo edited into the Canva. So let's see how. This kind of logo, all you have to do is just go into the canva.com, or if you are a Canva user, then you can just open up the Canva app and search the logo into the Canva search bar over here, and select this blank page because we have the logo previously. And I'm just go into our Midjourney and select this logo. So I'm just click on this copy image and directly paste into my Canva design by using Ctrl V. So just make sure to adjust the logo properly into the center, or you can also use this position to adjust it into the center. And now select the artboard clearly and go into this background color over here and click on this and choose this color picker, and just make sure to your background color everywhere is the same that we have in our image. So just place it into center, and now we have to edit this text and this text. So for editing this text, all you have to do is just hide this text. It's a great way. So I'm using a rectangle. Just go into the elements and choose any rectangle shape, and over here just you can also zoom into the design to make it precise work. So let's place it over here and just duplicate Ctrl C and V and place it over here to hide this text as well. Okay, so just place it and make sure everything is looking good. And now we select the background color that we have. So I'm just go with this and choosing this. So let's go into the text tab over here and adding our name. So in your case you can add any name. So Chef's Cafe, I think it's great name for our logo. So I will just place it into the center and just little bit increase the size of it and make sure make it C capital. Okay, and just place it over here, and now it's looking good. So and the bottom text, all you have to do is just using any text and write our text, taste of magic. Okay, and for this I'm using any thin font, any kind of. So you can use this one and make sure it capitalized, and also increase the letter spacing, decreasing the size of our text. I think 7 is good for it. So just make it into the center and just to decrease the letter of sizing, and also decreasing the size of the image. Place it over here. So everything is looking fine, and I'm just try this capitalize. I think it's look pretty amazing. So just select all the text and make it as a group by using the Ctrl G, and let's add some more detailing. So I'm just adding a shadow around it. So just search the shadow into this and just go into the graphic, and here you will find this amazing shadow icon. So these all the Canva elements are free for the Canva Pro user. So if you are not the Canva Pro, so you can definitely check out the description link where you will get the 45-day Canva Pro trial free. So this is the great deal for you because you are great people and the subscriber of Design Talk. So simply adjust it like this and see how cool is that. So in the similar way, you can edit any kind of logo that is generated into the Midjourney by just hiding the text. Is a great way to edit this kind of logo because it is not possible to edit the text into the Canva. So this is the great way to simulate the background color and then hide and edit the text or rewrite the text yours. So that's it for this.
So we learned something new. We designed amazing logo right inside the Midjourney and added it into the Canva. So it's pretty amazing process. You can use this process logos while designing any kind of client logo, or you can also use the generated logo as an inspiration to design your own. So till then, take care of the data and bye bye. See you to the next amazing one.